私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使
I tried to destroy the creature before with a good head blast.
You did very well. Goldar has now converted from rocket to robot.
Wow, that's a very dangerous liquid. That's a strong weapon.
Stay back.
Father definitely has stronger weapons to fight with than I have.
The monster is going straight for the center of the Earth. The earthquake will stop soon.
Goldar, why did you allow the creature to hide in the Earth? I don't understand. Please tell us, Father.
In the monster's body, there is a dangerous bomb that could blow up. I did not want to take the chance that it would.
I can understand that.
When you fight a very powerful enemy, you must weigh the differences between right and wrong. To defeat him is one thing, but to attack after the battle is won is another. It is good military strategy after winning a battle to gain your victims' respect. Allow them victory with dignity. Always remember that, and you will both grow into wise men. Rodak's first move was a very dangerous one. I will have to seek the advice of Methuselah about how to proceed from here. Gan, can you fly?
No, Father. My XF fuses were all destroyed.
I'll ask Methuselah what to do.
Mm-hmm.
Get on me.
Right.
Understand it. What have you to report?
There are no images on any of the channels, sir. We therefore have to conclude that Mollosaurus' electronic brain has been damaged. Furthermore, the monster has crawled too deep into the Earth and our signals are unable to reach it.
Impossible! Who did that? Who could have destroyed such a powerful weapon, one that I had designed myself? I personally brought it from the Zeta Galaxy. It couldn't have been an Earthling. They're not strong enough. Then who? I must find out.
They haven't even reached Venus yet, or conquered other stars. How could they have the power to destroy that weapon? If they do not surrender by tomorrow, then I will have to attack. No Earthling can compete with my power and intelligence, and they must be convinced of this immediately. Little do they know that one burst of that invisible light beam can change the lives of everyone down there. It will trigger the detonator of Molosaurus' explosive device. If they do not surrender by tomorrow, I will destroy their cities.
Please do not worry about it. Our Air Force is maintaining round-the-clock alerts and is ready for combat. Inhabitants of Earth, stay tuned for reports at any time.
It's true. Just what I said.
Can't you understand how urgent all of this is? It wasn't only Miko. I saw those robots too. I'm not imagining anything in that article. All set to go, sir.
All right. You have to understand that it's not the easiest thing to conceive since it never occurred before. It's all so strange.
But, sir, it's too important to ignore since the Earth itself is at stake.
I know that.
It's your duty to tell the United Nations and all the reporters in the danger area that we now have a friend whose duty is to guard the Earth. That could mean a greater degree of control in order to avoid a huge panic.
What can I say of what I don't understand myself?
I know what, sir. I'll whistle for one of the robots.
You mean right in here?
Yes.
I have to go now.
Just wait. It'll only take a minute. I guess there's a delay.
Nice try, Miko. I'll listen to your fairy tales some other time. Let's go.
Right.
Gam lied to me.
Papa は守を信じてる。守は嘘つきじゃない。
He's all right. No need to worry. It was quite a job fixing those fuses.
Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Methuselah. Thank you.
He'll be all right.
We're both very grateful.
Did you hear a sound just a little while ago, Mother?
No. Goldar?
I didn't hear anything either.
However, you heard it, Gam, didn't you?
Miko, you shouldn't feel your friend deserted you without a good reason. There are many things that might have hindered Gam's coming here. Both of you are very good friends, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Then I strongly advise you to wait, Miko. Very good friends should have faith in one another. Just think about it. Control your anger. And your impatience. All right? Why is it that we always have very little trust here in this world? Be patient, all right?
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. Everything's okay.
Rodak has shown us he's very dangerous. That monster was his instrument of destruction. What do you advise me to do?
You were correct in not destroying the monster. Because if you had, it would have resulted in a terrifying explosion. However, even though you did right, things are far from improved. There is something else that no one on Earth is aware of that could be highly dangerous if nothing is done.
What is that, sir?
The disaster which you did not allow could still occur in Molosaurus. There is a certain button which Rodak controls.
You mean from his ship?
Yes. Rodak has the option at any moment to explode that device. And if he does, the Earth will blow up. Yes, we will have to take immediate action with such a thing controlled by him.
What do you suggest, sir?
I'm afraid I don't know. This is a small electronic device. It can force the monster to go in any direction through remote control. This is done with high-frequency waves. While you fly in the sky, you will control the creature's direction as it travels under the ground. I've not yet ascertained just how great an energy is necessary to control the monster, but I've worked out several figures carefully. I judge that you will need at least 100,000 volts for what you have to do, and that could be very dangerous. Now, Goldar, as soon as you get its directional senses under control, you will then have to take the creature to the North Pole.
But why all the way to the North Pole? I do not understand.
The area is completely uninhabited, and therefore is safer. A tidal wave will result from the blast. See to it that no one is within range. Now you know why I finally decided on the North Pole. It was the only location I could think of, since other countries on Earth are crowded. And another thing.
Yes, sir?
Try to force the monster to travel while it remains beneath the ground, if you can do that. That way everything should work safely. Rodak's detection device will certainly not function with any accuracy, so long as the creature stays very far underground. Should Rodak detect you, the creature's device will be detonated.
I will do my best, sir.
Papa's working late at the office tonight. I suggest you go to bed. We'll see what will occur in the morning. All right? I'll wake you early. Be good now.
Night, Mother.
Miko, you shouldn't feel your friend deserted you without good reason. You see, there are many things that might have hindered Gam's coming here. Be patient, and soon you'll know what caused it. Why is it that we always have such little trust in this world?
I sure hope that he's all right now.
No, Father. My XF fuses were all destroyed.
I'll ask Methuselah what to do.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if he's better. I was right. He's coming here now. You're all right.
Nico, I waited for you to call me for at least an hour.
I called you earlier.
I was being repaired by Methuselah. It took him a longer time than he thought it would. I didn't mean not to answer your call today.
Please don't worry. I think we should do one another.
Oh, good. I thought that you might get angry with me when you gave the signal and I didn't show up earlier today.
Aren't you? You must think of that. If it should happen again, Gam, or in case of emergencies.
Yes. I like that idea a lot.
Between the two of us, we will definitely defeat Rodak.
The monster should be somewhere around here. There he is.
A lot farther when it's still dark. There's only an hour more to go. Hurry while there's still no daylight. You hear me? Just one more hour.
Daylight. In for a surprise.
Alaska. Just a little further to go.
Rodak, there is no sign of Mollosaurus coming to the surface. It is very important that I know at what point it will be coming to the surface. That way I know exactly what area will be destroyed. Man the controls. Get ready to enter the Earth's atmosphere. We have work to do.
A little further and I'll be there. Methuselah, I'm losing energy.
I wonder when Rodak will get here.
I was just thinking of that. I know what he will be expecting, do you?
The white flag of surrender.
Uh-huh.
Get a good fix on that tower with your camera.
It's quite evident that everyone in the world is concentrating on this site through television, knowing we only have 20 seconds. The peak of the tower reflects the glint of the early morning sun where there have been no flags hoisted. A tower that stands rigidly, expressing symbolic power for our own planet Earth. With only seconds remaining, all eyes are looking toward the sky. The possibility, the mere chance of something that would happen. Wait a minute. There it is. Look.
That's the way they want it. The Earthlings have a lot to learn. Return to the safety zone and blow up Mollosaurus. Now I'll show them. What's going on here? Why wasn't there an explosion? One just occurred at the North Pole. The North Pole? Who took Mollosaurus to the North Pole? Bring return to Earth and burn the city. I want everything totally destroyed.
Look up there! Look up there! You spoke of that rocket. Yes, that's it.
I can't destroy it. The spaceship is coated with a special resistance alloy.
What's that? That is a rocket, sir. A rocket? Stupid Earthlings can't invent such things. Destroy it quickly. But there is a child in it. What? A child? I don't fight battles with children. Render the rocket non-operational.
Say, I know what'll stop it. Use the Goldar heat ray.
You think it'll work?
Mm-hmm. Gam, will you be all right? I think he's too strong.
I agree. I think you and I had better hide. Rodak is going to attack the city, and I don't know what to do about it.
I do.
Hurry. Hurry, Miko. He's going to attack the city now. What do we do, Miko? Hurry.
Look at that. We better watch out.
Are you Rodak?
I don't believe this. I didn't think anyone like you lived on Earth.
My name is Goldar.
Goldar?
I am a robot created in another galaxy to prevent you from conquering Earth.
You're going to fight me?
That's right. The Earth belongs to Earthlings, and you have no right to possess it. Go back where you came from, Rodak.
You are finished as of now, Goldar.
You are an evil man, Rodak, but a very smart one. Use your intelligence. Isn't it enough that you conquered other planets in this galaxy?
I want the Earth, and you shall not stop me.
I will stop you, Rodak.
We shall see.
Go back, Rodak, before it's too late.
Fire! Is that your only weapon?
I have that and many more. Watch this, Rodak.
You have won the first battle, Goldar, but you have not beaten me. Now I want the Earth more than ever.
It is my duty to stop you, and if necessary, destroy you. Is that clear, Rodak?
I accept the challenge, Goldar. It will be most enjoyable.
Goldar!
Ah, Gam and Miko. I'm glad to see that you are both safe.
I tried to get Rodak first, but I was not able to overcome power like that.
You did very well, but a boy your size should not take on too big a job.
I was only wishing that we could.
Maybe it's a good idea Rodak knows I have a papa just like Earthlings. Isn't that right?
Uh-huh.
I see my son likes the Earthlings. Well, at least the city is secure for now. We'll tell the people that they're safe.
Uh-huh. Let's go, Miko. Better hold on tight.
Look, a boy is sitting in that aircraft.
That's my boy, I tell you. It's Miko. Miko! Attention, ladies and gentlemen. This great city is now safe, and the gratitude of our people is evident, and everyone is very relieved.
Did you obtain those statistics?
They're ready, sir.
Good. Let's have a look.
We have concluded that Goldar is 50 feet tall, 14 feet wide, and has a weight of 20 tons.
Idiot!
Isn't that what you wanted, sir?
You're incompetent. Project his outline. When I need his statistics for a local beauty contest, I'll let you know. What I wanted you to check was Goldar's weak points. I am not interested in anything else. Unless I find the robot's vulnerable spots, I don't have a chance. It is of the utmost importance that I eliminate that robot. I will keep him busy until I learn the necessary information. Now, why wasn't that done in the first place? Must I think for every one of you?
I know what you meant all along, sir. But all we had to work with was the superphoton analyzer. Its construction does not permit us to gain access to his inner working system. What we gave you was all we could learn.
This means I must check his vulnerabilities through other methods.
Let me destroy him, sir. I won't fail you.
You are an idiot. Can't you see Goldar is too much for you? I must think, conceive a new plan. Ah, the solution just came to me. Listen to me, Doris. I want you to stalk the Earth and cause damage so you can draw in Goldar's attention. My new plan will necessitate a very careful observation of him. Now go.
Would you like to eat now?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Papa, look at that. What a mountain.
That's quite a view from up here. The mountain looks so far.
I think it's been years since the three of us have gone away like this. Isn't it refreshing?
So you're happy, are you? I feel just like a kid who took the day off by playing hooky.
I know how you feel, Papa. You're supposed to be feeling that way whenever you're going on vacation.
I'll have to quote you on that.
As long as you're sure to spell my name right.
Oh, that's enough out of you. Just wait till you're running for an election.
Good idea. Is it the engine?
I have no idea.
A spaceship, Papa, look.
Say, look. We have trouble with the meters.
This is Domicia JA8662. This is Domicia JA8662. Now 30 miles southwest, we found the stellar flying saucer. We found the stellar flying saucer.
Two engines aren't operating correctly.
There's no choice. We're going to have to land quickly.
Papa, look at that ship.
You say you saw a saucer?
That's right. It flew straight into our view out of the southwest sky close to an hour ago.
Do you have any idea where the saucer originated?
I do not know that, nor do I know where the saucer was going. Itomura! Yes.
My name is Kida. The district branch sent me to meet you.
I expected anything but a saucer to come visiting us out of the blue.
We followed your instructions.
Good.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Then come on.
Papa, let me carry your suitcase.
Tomoko, you go to the hotel, and I'll see you there a little later on.
Where are you going?
I have to return to that area. That saucer has to be looked at.
Papa, take me with you.
Sorry, Miko, no. I want you at the hotel.
All right. Papa, why do you have to go?
Why do you ask? Who else is capable of doing this? Bye now. Let's hurry.
Always worry. I just hope nothing goes wrong.
What worries you is that he likes it. Am I right?
I hope you're not like him.
One blow of Miko's whistle summons Gam, son of Goldar, the Space Avenger.
Ah, there. Hi.
I heard your signal loud and clear.
I want you to give me a ride, okay?
Where are you going, Miko?
I'm a reporter's son, and there's a story out there. Let's go, Gam.
Miko, don't go there. I'll bet your mother's going to scold you for this.
I guess you're right. This flying is worth it, though.
The robot boy Gam, who lives on Mount Olympia, has been transformed back into the rocket Gam.
Huh? Miko! Gam! What are the two of you doing here?
I just thought you could use 2 skillful assistants, okay?
Hmm? Okay.
The sun is going, and we haven't found a trace of the saucer so far.
I see it there. Wait. We don't know what's out there. Wait until the police get here. Doctor, I'm afraid our most modern X-ray equipment is not capable of penetrating this. Its cover consists of an unknown alloy. Isn't there any way we could see through it?
I don't know. I guess we might try ultrasonic waves. Should we try? All right, get it ready.
Yes, sir.
People on planet Earth are very advanced in science, don't you think so?
Mm-hmm. We sure are.
Sir, none of the meters operate. That's what occurred in the aircraft.
I suggest you double the intensity. It won't work. Now here is what I suggest. That we transfer this alloy immediately. Our fuses and circuits haven't been geared for such high-frequency workloads, resulting in non-functional gauges, as you see.
Yes. Oh, just one thing, Doctor. I'd like to get the facts before all the newspapers.
I'm sure. Well, we're taking it to the local university. The sonic workloads there are definitely more intensifying, so we will know by tomorrow.
Well, now what do we do with ourselves?
I suggest you continue with your vacation. I can take care of the rest of the story. Your father wants the whole story.
This is one exclusive. I don't want to forfeit just for a vacation.
Papa, we should end the vacation for the story and all that. Only Mama's going to get angry when she finds out her chance for getting a rest is all gone.
Okay. Peter will take care of the rest of the story. Peter, it's your story.
Thank you. I also have a wife and kids, though I'll be glad to give you the credit.
Thank you.
And work hard.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Well, since we have nothing to do, you could just as well go home now.
Yes, sir. I don't want Gam to go home. Why can't he stay with us?
Your friend must have his own life, Miko.
I'll see you again.
Goodbye, Gam.
Let's go, son.
It's hot in here.
Yeah.
Thirsty?
Yeah.
Let's stop for a soda then.
Come on, 3 bells. You're great. We're doing the best.
Give me a...
You know it.
think I still owe you some change. It won't start. It's stuck.
Huh? What's going on? Oh. Did you know we had that in there? Oh. Oh.
Papa, ほら見てごらん。パパの記事が載ってるよ。
ああ、もう見たよ。それより早く食事しなさい。記者に遅れるよ。
はい。
Hi.
Hello. Hmm? Why are you here? I just thought you would want to know that a giant creature was seen this morning. Huh? The creature originated in a crate that was transferred this morning in a truck. What are you talking about? What truck? The truck carrying the egg in the crate. Are you handling the story? The creature grew out of the crate that was packed up inside. It destroyed the truck and then headed toward a populated area. The police who tried to track it had no luck.
Mama, where are you going?
The airport.
What for, Mama?
To cancel the plane reservation. You see, the reporters have work to do.
Shall we go? Good.
Papa, maybe I can go with you?
Papa wants you to stay here, huh?
Here is the latest news. Early reports on the monster have come in through official police sources. They state they have been unable to locate it since it took to the air. A youngster had taken a photograph of the creature while it was in flight, and archaeologists of the local university studied it carefully. The monster is of a special species 1 billion years old called Berdoris.
Berdoris?